Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and I would like to talk to you about defective vehicle products liability cases. Now, I understand that if you're contacting us about a defective vehicle claim, either you or a family member has probably been very seriously injured. We've had numerous cases that beyond the serious injuries that can be caused by a defective vehicle that have also resulted in death. Our job as defective vehicle attorneys is to first prove liability. We have to be able to prove that the defect in the vehicle that either you or a family member was driving is what caused this accident. After we're able to prove that there's a defect in the vehicle, we then have to prove that you sustained injuries as a result of that defect. But the hardest part and the most challenging part is proving the defect. And the reason it's difficult and challenging is because you have to go up against some of the world's largest companies, which are the auto manufacturers. Now, through us handling numerous defective vehicle cases, we have worked with some of the country's leading experts, and those experts are engineers, accident reconstructionists, and vehicle dynamic experts to tell us what is wrong with this particular vehicle and why did it cause the person to lose control of the vehicle, thereby resulting in the accident. Now, you're probably saying, well, what's the vehicle manufacturer going to say? Well, number one, they're going to say, there's nothing wrong with our vehicle, and look, we've produced thousands of these and there's only been one accident. Often that's not the case. There's multiple accidents, and we network with lawyers around the country to determine how many problems there has been with this particular vehicle. Number two, they're going to say, this was not a problem with the vehicle, this was driver error. And as a result of driver error or driver negligence, that's why this accident took place. So we have seen, through us handling so many of these defective vehicle cases, all of the potential defenses that these manufacturers will raise. And some of the manufacturers, whether it's Ford, whether it's GM, whether it's Chevy, we've had cases against all of them. Now, what I recommend you do most importantly is, if you're involved in one of these cases, is we have to preserve the vehicle. If we don't have the vehicle, we're not going to have a case. And we store these vehicles regularly. We'll maintain them for you. We got to do whatever it takes to get the vehicle. So if you're in the stages where you're first contemplating whether or not you're going to hire a law firm, you must secure that vehicle at all costs because it's going to be imperative for the case. Once we get the vehicle, we'll have our experts inspect it and give us opinions almost right away as to what went wrong. Now, I encourage you to contact us at any time for a free consultation. We'll discuss your claim, we'll review all of the options, and we'll be able to let you know at no fees or costs whatsoever to you, unless we make a recovery, whether or not we think we're going to be able to help you.